So in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 ways to make $100 per day with almost no work. So the strategies that I'm going to share with you in this video, they do require just a little bit of work up front in order to get things going. But then once you got a hang of it and you kind of understand how to do for yourself, you can easily have a lot of this outsourced, in order for you to make this work. And then also some of it just requires just a little bit of your time every single day in order to make money. But there's still viable options that people are actually doing to this day, and they're actually earning tons of money every single day with these strategies. Now, if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Linsay, and on this channel, I share with you guys tips and strategies on how to earn income from home. Now, if those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so you can get updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So let's go ahead, let's dive into the content. Let me share with you these 3 strategies that take almost no work for you to do in order to earn some money every single day. So in this video, just like how I mentioned, you're going to learn 3 ways to earn $100 per day with almost no work. Now, 2 of these methods you can start with, you can start earning with soon, and then one of them kind of takes some time, but it's definitely worth it. And then also make sure you stay into the end because I want to share with you how I'm actually doing the same one of these strategies and how I'm only spending just a few minutes per day in order to build up this particular business, and I'm earning commissions with it every single day. So make sure you stay into the end. So the first strategy that I want to talk about is drop servicing. So drop servicing is also called service arbitrage or subcontracting. And what this typically is basically what you would do is you'll go out, you'll find customers that actually need a service, and then that service you'll actually outsource the work and let somebody else do it, and you earn the profit. So just how you can see here in this image right here, what we're going to basically do is, again, we're going to offer a customer a service. They can come to like our store or our website to purchase it, and then what we're going to do is however much it costs for the actual freelancer or the worker to actually do the job, we're going to pay him first, and then whatever is left over, we pocket the money. Now, this is very similar to drop shipping. So if you know anything about drop shipping, basically what it is that we'll create a online store, like an e-commerce store, like through Shopify, BigCommerce, or something like that. And we will actually go to AliExpress and find products to post in our stores. Now, once we have done that and somebody visits our store and they actually purchase a product, what we're going to do is, once we have that money has hit our bank accounts, we're going to pay the supplier on AliExpress for the actual item to have that item shipped directly to the customer, and whatever is left over, we put in our pockets, or you invest it into your business, what you should be doing. But that's pretty much what it is. But you can actually do this by offering services to clients, to businesses, to companies, and everything else, and you kind of act as the middleman pretty much. So example of this, you can come to sites like Fiverr.com. You can also come to a website called Upwork.com. And on both of these websites, there are tons of people on here who actually offer services for sale. And what you can do is you can create a website where you're actually offering services, and then you can come over here to Fiverr or Upwork, and you can actually find somebody to actually do the work. And then again, once the order is fulfilled, that the work is done for the client, and then you make sure you pay the worker from from Fiverr.com or Upwork, and then you pocket the rest of the money. So a good example of this is maybe you are in the e-commerce space. You can create a website where you're telling people that you offer a service to build up their Shopify stores. So if you really don't want to do that, you can do Shopify store and click enter. And once we're here, we can see I'll create one product Shopify store. This is another one for a one product Shopify store. I will design a Shopify store or a website. So you see all this right here, and they come at a variety of different prices. Sometimes the ones that charge a little bit more, they have a little bit more experience in the game. Some of these people are actually pro sellers, so that's probably why they're also selling their services for a lot more. And what you can do is, again, once you have created a website, or maybe you're on social media and you have like a Facebook group or something like that, and you're telling people that you can create them a Shopify store for X amount of money, what you can do is if somebody purchased that service from you, come over here to Fiverr or Upwork, find one of these workers here, have them to create the store, pay them the money that it costs for them to create the store, and then whatever's left over, you keep the money. So again, that requires very little work. All you're pretty much doing is you're going out to find the clients. Once you have found the clients, you just sell them an actual service, and then you come over here, find somebody else to do the work, and you pocket the money. Now, the second strategy that you can do is to start a faceless YouTube channel. There are tons of these type of channels on YouTube, and they're making tons of money leveraging YouTube AdSense in order to earn money every single month from their channels. Now, with a faceless YouTube channel, it's just what it sounds like. You'll actually create videos without having to show your face. And the reason why I say this is requires almost no work is because once you get the channel started, you can go to websites as I showed you, Fiverr.com or Upwork.com, and you can have this fully outsourced. You can actually have it fully outsourced from your first video. But what you want to do is before you go and start your faceless YouTube channel, you want to determine what niche that you want to be a part of. And once you have done that, then that's when you want to go ahead and start creating content for your channel. Now, what you want to do is you want to model what's already working. Do not reinvent the wheel. What you want to do is you want to take some time to do some research, find channels that are already kicking butt on YouTube that have tons of subscribers and everything else. And what you want to do is you just want to model that channel. Don't copy it word for word, but you just want to model what's already working. If they already have over 1 million subs, if their videos are already getting over hundreds of thousands of views, then they already done the hard work for you. Instead of reinventing the wheel, just model what's already working. And just how I mentioned how you want to make sure that you choose a niche before you get started with this, you definitely want to choose something that's in a high CPM niche. Now, you could choose a wide variety of different niches, but there are some niches out here that that YouTube will actually pay you more money per video or per 1,000 views on those type of videos within that niche. So some examples of some high CPM niches are entrepreneurship, finance, tech, real estate, makeup, and travel. And there's still a wide variety, but this is just a just a few that I wanted to share with you. You can also get ideas from sites like this, from channels like this called Brightside. Brightside has over 37 million subscribers, and you can kind of scroll and see what kind of content works. This channel is already winning. So what you can do is you can model what's already working. You can create a channel like this. You can also, again, have it fully outsourced where you can just kind of mimic what they're already doing. Same thing when you come to top 10 channels or top 5 channels or something like that. You can come over to these channels that, like this particular channel has over 6 million subscribers, and you can kind of get an idea of some of the content that you can create for the channel. So again, if you don't have any, if you're low on funds in the beginning, you can create some of this content on your own in the beginning, and then you can have it outsourced. Or if you have a few dollars to spare, again, you can go ahead and have a type of top 10 channel outsourced for you right out of day one. And then once your channel gets monetized, you can start earning from AdSense. And the last one that I want to cover, of course, is affiliate marketing. And with affiliate marketing, we're basically making money by selling other people's products. So again, this requires almost no work because we don't have to set up websites. We don't have to find products. We don't have to deal with customer service issues. We don't have to worry about fulfilling orders. We don't have to deal with shipping issues or anything like that. We just have to find products that are already created, and all we're having to do is get as many people to visit the company's website through our affiliate links. That is our only job. And then for every person that goes through our affiliate links and goes to the actual website and buys something, we earn a commission. So this is kind of just an example of what this is. So we can find any affiliate offer, right? So the affiliate offer can be in something that's in the make money online niche. You can become an affiliate for Sephora makeup. You can become an affiliate for Vans sneakers. A lot of these big companies and brands, they all have affiliate programs that you can join. So if you go to any of these big box brands websites like Amazon, Walmart, Target, again, Vans, Sephora, all these type of stores, if you go to their website and you scroll down to the bottom, you'll typically see a link that says become an affiliate or become a partner or something like that. And to become an affiliate for most of these websites is actually free. All you have to do is just sign up. And then once you have your affiliate link for the offer that you want to promote, you want to focus on any of these type of traffic sources in order to get a lot of people to visit your affiliate offer. Now, this isn't all the ways that you can generate traffic. There are tons of ways that you can generate traffic. So I know for me, I do a lot of YouTube. I do a lot of Facebook. I also get traffic to my offers using my blog right here. And again, just how I shared with you earlier with YouTube. I make a lot of videos teaching people how to do things. I also do video reviews of different products that are being released. And then what I would do is I'll typically redirect people to go to an affiliate offer that I'm actually doing a review about. And if they decide to purchase anything that I'm reviewing on my channel, I earn a commission. So again, you're just doing a little bit of work in the beginning, and then you can reap the benefits afterwards. So something like this, like an affiliate channel, you can have a branded channel where you're showing your face like I am, but you can also not show your face and also have these type of channels outsourced where you're actually sending traffic to a offer. So your offer could be something in the health and fitness niche. And what you can do is you can have your affiliate channel outsourced and have somebody just to create videos talking about different, health and fitness issues. Like, so if you chose the weight loss niche, you can have them to create content about weight loss and everything else. And then you can just include your affiliate link below any of the videos that you create. So just how I was mentioning to you at the beginning of the video, I want to share with you my #1 way that's actually helping me to earn money with affiliate marketing online. And I'm only having to spend just a few minutes per day in order to build this business because that's the way it's actually set up. Once you have everything set up, once you go through the 5 steps and set everything up, which will probably take you about an hour to set up, if you're brand new, maybe 2 hours, all you'll have to do is just spend a few minutes per day in order to build this business. So as you can see here, this is some of the commissions and things like that people are actually earning from this using the same system. You can see that I've earned over $100 commission here, a $500 commission here, like a $458. This person right here has earned a few $500 commissions here. And you can see it all through here. So this actually works, and I actually earn commissions every single day from different products that I actually promote through affiliate marketing, using this system and using everything that I am actually learning within the system. So if you want to know more about this system that I am using, that's only taking me a few minutes per day to actually build in order to earn commissions every single day. Underneath this video in the description below, I'm going to include a link. Make sure you just click on that link, and that way you can find out more about my #1 way to earn income online. And again, it will only take you a few minutes a day to actually maintain this business. So in this video, I share with you 3 ways to make $100 per day with almost no work. Now, if you found this video helpful, make sure you leave a comment below. Ask any questions you also have. And then also, if you are brand new to this channel, leave a comment below. Let me know where in the world you are watching from. Also, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.